Hello everyone, welcome back to Pinel's Decor. Today's video is based on how easily we can use trays to decorate our home. For this I am using empty ketchup bottle and will give it new look. Remove all the stickers and clean it properly. First take white acrylic color and make perfect base with 2 coats of color. Also here you can use gesso for the base coat. Our bottle is completely ready with the 2 coats of acrylic color for the further process. Here we will try decoupage technique for this craft, and really it is very easy. For this technique I am using gift paper and will cut cartoon characters from it. Also you can use any cutting from the newspapers, magazines or any books or the decoupage tissue. Now make our homemade mood pouch with glue and water in 1:1 ratio. Like this, all the things are ready for this DIY, so let's start the process. Apply layer of glue on the cutting so that it will seal the paper on the bottle easily and make it water resistant. And you can see without no much efforts our bottle is looking pretty enough. My another DIY video on bottle art, which link is provided in I button and also in description box. Take sponge and pink acrylic color on it and apply on the upper and lower part of the bottle. photo wall hanging, so please stay tuned on my channel for upcoming videos. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for new video updates. Thank you for watching and hope so you like my video. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can see other updates which is not on my YouTube channel.